Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on how to name angles. Naming angles is quite simple because it is very systematic and the rules are easy to understand and follow. An angle is made up of two rays that meet at a point. The point is called the vertex. So here we have the ray BA and here we have the ray BC. Those two rays meet at this point, so B is called the vertex. Different ways to name an angle. The above angle can be named as follows. Angle ABC, so you can use the word angle, and notice the vertex is the letter in the middle. Angle CBA, so you can go ABC or you can go angle CBA. It doesn't matter which order, as long as the vertex is in the middle. You can also use this symbol for the word angle, angle ABC, angle CBA. You can also use this little symbol here up the top, and notice the vertex is in the middle. So that also means angle ABC and angle CBA. You can also use angle B. So we've said before that B is the vertex of the angle. So that's always in the middle. It always has the important position. Simple exercises. So here we have two rays, and there's the vertex, and that's the angle here that we're talking about. So here are some simple exercises you can do, and you can pause this video at any time and do these answers. Name the two rays in the above angle, so you put one answer there and one there. Name the letter representing the vertex. Write true or false for each of the following statements. The angle in the diagram can be named angle O, so write true or false here. PQ is a ray, true or false there, and the angle in the diagram can be named angle POQ. So we have the answers on the next slide, so you can pause this little slide here for as long as you want and you can answer those questions, and I'll go to the answers very shortly. Okay, here we go, and remember you're able to pause that slide anytime you want. So here are the answers. Okay, so the rays are OQ, OP, the vertex is the letter O. The angle in the diagram can be named angle O, which is true, of course that's where the vertex is. PQ is a ray, false. PQ is from there to there, so that's not a ray. And the angle in the diagram can be named angle POQ, which is POQ, using the symbol, and that is true. So this video has introduced us to the basic idea of an angle, and we've seen how to name the angle in different ways.